Here at Sunflower Stitcheries and Quilting, we love using Cottage Garden threads. All of these are from the Signature range, and I love the colours that they come in, whether it's a family colour, so this one is all, you know, reds and some going to some oranges. This one has more pink to purple. These are all browns, but there's a bigger range of colour, you know, they're great to use. They're made in Australia. They've been designed so that you can keep the thread in the holder so that you don't lose what colour that you're using. So I'm going to show you how to undo the thread so that you can use it. You can pull out the strands. They are pre-cut for you, and that also helps with the dyeing, so that if you need, when you join the threads, it's the same at each end. So let's undo Brolly. I'm a bit of a fan of red. So what you need to do is gently tease out, you can see in, if I come a bit closer to the camera, one of these groups of thread will pull out from, now I'm just gently pulling and the end comes loose. So then untangle that thread and you'll see that there are all those strands. It is a 6-stranded cotton, and there you have. Just loosen those, separate them a bit. All right, now we just want to use one, because then we want to separate them into maybe 2 strands or 3 strands. So I'm going to get hold of one. Move those out of the way, you'll be able to see a little bit easier. One. Now what I need you to do is hold with this hand, with your left hand, hold that bit there and gently pull with your right hand, and the entire thread strand will come out, and you are good to go with that set. The rest of your threads are left on the holder with the number attached, so you know which thread it is, and you can store those. It won't go back in, but you can store those in your work basket ready to when you need the next lot. So if you need Cottage Garden threads, Sunflower Stitcheries and Quilting can, we have some in stock and we can order them for you. If you are stocking up for a project in future, do let us know. And we can help you with that. Have a look on our website. Thanks.